Guys, and I'm Rudy, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create interactive map with Elementor with RTMKIT plugin. But first of all, you need to install your RTMKIT first. Here, install and activate it in your plugin, and you go to this one, create page and add Elementor, and create flexbox, and add element, and you need to get RTMKIT Pro to get image hotspot. You can buy RTMKIT Pro first. In here, to upgrade it, RTMKIT to the Pro. You need to find it in RTMKIT Pro. Here's RTMKIT Pro that you can buy it. Here's a plugin, RTMKIT Pro, $59. Here's the plugin that you can upgrade it. $59 personal lifetime one site, and buy once use lifetime, and professional lifetime $99 for 10 site, and unlimited lifetime $249 100 site. Let's get started to create it. After you create flexbox, add element, and scroll down, image hotspot, then RTMKIT Pro. You change image to your map. After changing image to your map, you need to add item hotspot. Yes, it can be text only, image only, and text and image. Choose text and image. Choose image. Here's the image. You can adjust it. You can change title and description. You can adjust like this one. Or you can use image instead of icon. Choose image. Select. Here's the item, and you can use another item also. This can be product as well and post. Here's the product, time kit. Here's looks, and you go to style to edit. Skip this one, image, hotspot item, icon size. You can change the background color and background border. And for the configuration, you can change effect pulse ripple, theme like to dot. Here's trigger, you click it to click first, or you need just to hover. and you can change the icon in here with RTM icon. Yeah, if you want to have interactive map, you can install it RTMKit and upgrade to RTMKIT Pro. Thank you. You can